us as we bring you myths and facts about Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun, and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, but slightly less than 1,000th the mass of the Sun. This practically means that only 1,000 Jupiters could fit in the Sun, and Earth is about 1.5 million. Being the fifth planet from the Sun, it is very far away from the Sun. It is 778.5 million kilometers away from the Sun. With that distance, it has a lot of jobs to do. Talking of jobs, it takes the gas giant 12 Earth years to complete one orbit. Which means, 12 Earth years is 1 year on Jupiter. Sadly, one day on Jupiter is 9 hours and 56 minutes, compared to 24 hours on Earth. Although Jupiter is a great deal larger in size, its surface gravity is just 2.4 times that of the surface gravity of Earth. This is because Jupiter is mostly made up of gases. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you would weigh 240 pounds on Jupiter, assuming you could find someplace to well stand. Jupiter has a surface area of 61.42 billion square kilometer, very huge. Jupiter is 11 times larger than Earth. I don't know why humans are not planning on settling on Jupiter, with that massive surface area. I'm just kidding, Jupiter will just kill human in just less than a minute. Because the atmosphere is hydrogen and helium, instead of Earth's oxygen and nitrogen. Did I mention that Jupiter weighs over 1 octillion 898 septillion 130 sextillion kilograms, according to NASA? Talking of NASA, we boldly say that Jupiter has 79 moons, thanks to their powerful telescopes. Few of Jupiter's moons are Europa, being the biggest, well not, Europa League. Ganymede, Io, Callisto, Valiuto, Amalthea, Carmi, Himalaya, Adrastea, Ananke and more. With an average temperature of -234 degrees Fahrenheit, -145 degrees Celsius, Jupiter is frigid even in its warmest weather. Unlike Earth, whose temperature varies as one moves closer to or farther from the equator, Jupiter's temperature depends more on height above the surface. I don't know why I chose to mention this. It is says that Jupiter is 4.603 billion years. Jupiter was formed at the same time as the rest of the solar system, from a large spinning disk of gas and dust. Astronomers think that all this happened about 4.6 billion years ago. So Jupiter is about 4.6 billion years old. Instead of beating around the bush, I think we should get to the root of everything. I believe you would like to know how the universe started. Then, keep us company, as we bring you myths and facts.